Hi everyone, it's Christopher, aka the Tattooed Quilter, and I'm beyond excited to be here at Fat Quarter Shop bringing you a really cute mini quilt project. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know I love mini quilts, and this one is no exception. This is the merry-go-round mini quilt. It's a lot of fun, really colorful, and guess what? You can get the pattern and the fabrics for this quilt at Fat Quarter Shop. Now, the merry-go-round mini quilt is 4 blocks, 4 churn dash blocks. I love a churn dash block. I grew up in a traditional quilting family, and my first experience with a churn dash block was with my great-grandmother. So this quilt holds a lot of memories for me. But I wanted to mix it up and bring you something new and fresh. So what I did was, instead of doing the churn dash blocks in the same color, I sort of mixed and matched. And that's the fun part of it, because you can personalize this yourself. So let's get started and make the churn dash block. Your churn dash block is made up of 4 half square triangles. So each block you're going to have 4 half square triangles. Easy peasy. You're also going to need some connecting blocks. Now your connecting blocks are made up of rectangles. So you're going to sew your rectangles together. Press your seams to the dark side, and this is your connecting blocks for your half square triangles. Super fun and easy, right? Then you're also going to need a center square. So your center square is 1 block. That's what connects all of your other blocks together. And really, the churn dash, if you think about it, is like a 9 patch. There's 3 in each row. And you're going to join each row together. Super easy and a lot of fun. And then finally on this quilt, what I did was I added a little sashing border to it. I think sashing border adds so much contrast and interest. So your sashing border is really just strips. And we used Blossom, which is my basic from Riley Blake Designs. You can also get that at Fat Quarter Shop, and I love this Sweet Mint. It's such a darling color. You're going to sew those together, and that creates your sashing. And then you're going to join all your blocks together to make the merry-go-round quilt. Okay, so once you've made your churn dash blocks, you're going to join them with your sashing. And I like to do 1 block, attach my sashing, and so forth. And then I attach this sashing once I have 2 blocks and sashing put together. It's really, really easy. Now, you'll see here that I've just done some straight line quilting, and I love straight line quilting. I just think it's more minimal and very modern and chic. And I've used Aurifil 50 weight white. Most of my quilts I quilt in white, and I believe it's 2021 is the thread color that I love to use. And it's just super easy, and I don't do any complicated quilting because I love how really modern this looks. And you can see here that we've used a combination of Blossom and Riley Blake Confetti Cotton Solids. And I love this hot pink color here. It's such an awesome contrast to the mint and the denim. And then on my backing, I've used the Sweet Mint again, and it matches my binding, which I love as well because I think this is so pretty as just one seamless look. And you've noticed under here, surprise, I have a second quilt. Now, a funny thing about this quilt, it's actually a little bit smaller than this other one. I'm not sure what I did, but maybe my seam allowances were off. You know, we're all human, right? So this is another version of merry-go-round quilt. And this is all in confetti cottons for Riley Blake. And I just love the teal with the pink and the denim blue, and I think it's really sweet. And the interesting thing about this is it has 2 different bindings. So you can see here there's a stripe binding, and this is a Riley Blake stripe. And then I've connected it with the denim blue. I think it gives it just a little bit of an interest and a little bit of a pop. And then on the back side, I've used Riley Blake Kisses. This is another basic. It's a great basic. It's a little like crosshatch. It's super cute and a lot of fun and gives it a lot of interest. All right, so there we have it. 2 different versions of the merry-go-round quilt. A lot of fun, a great traditional block made modern. And guess what? You can make your own. You can get the pattern at fatquartershop.com. Well, you can follow me, Christopher, at the Tattooed Quilter on Instagram. You can also check out my website. And hey, we'll call this the merry-go-round mini quilt. Tag me in your photos. I'd love to see what you're making, and this is such a great project. We'll see you soon.